Hello guys, this is leathertoolz. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own clamp without spending too much if you are a woodworker already. So quite a while ago I introduced this type of clamp in front of you guys, and I showed you how to do this trick, changing from screw system into this clamp system. And I have this type of small clamp for watchmaking. This is for French style stitching clamp. You have to stick it into the French saddle stitching clamp, and then you can saddle stitch the small ones. I will do the review later. And looking at this type of small application clamp and using this type of pony, I came up with the idea that why can I just make a small one that can be easy to use. So what I just did was I took a really nice piece of pear wood. It's a very hard, dense hardwood. It's available in Europe, and then I just cut in half like this, very thin. I mean, this is around 30 millimeter, I think. And then you just take hole all the way to the end, and then make sure you try to drill the hole at the end so that it doesn't break apart up to the here. So when there's a pressure here, your wood will not go split in half. Okay, so try to cut wood like this. So this is just a basic style clamp like this. So what you can hold is you can use your spring clamp. So do not drill any hole. You just take your clamp, spring clamp, and boom, like that. So you get a very tight tension at the tip, yeah, all the way to here, and then there's also free space around here. So you can do the small watch strap stitching or any small leather goods stitching, or you can use it as a drying clamp. You can attach your object and then you can clamp it and you can dry it over here like this, yeah. And if you have another clamp, you can attach it to the bottom, and then you can use it as a stand as well, like this. So if you have a woodworking friend, or if you have any woodworking hobby, woodworking tools, you can make one like this. So it's very easy to carry as well. It's a very small, portable style stitching pony. Of course, for heavy work, it's a larger work. This is really difficult to use, but it's quite an interesting object that you can put in your carry system as well. I'm going to put this in a wood box that I will carry with my tools, and this will be a great addition to my portable leathercraft tools. Yeah, so I just want to share this with you guys. If you are interested into self-making tools, this can be one idea. Yeah, okay, so thanks for watching guys. As always, I'll see you guys next video. Bye bye.